Congratulations on your new Click and Grow 25. Now it's time to assemble it. Start by assembling the garden frame. Here are the parts and tools you need. Start by laying the frame assemblies on the table or floor, backside down, in the proper orientation. Leave a space between the two frames, approximately the length of the wooden legs. Note that the legs will fit only one way. Next, fasten the legs to the frames using flathead nuts, 4 nuts per leg. Start with the legs that are currently placed at the bottom. Use your fingers and the provided L-wrench to fasten the nuts. Continue to fit all 4 legs. At this point, tighten the nuts gently, not all the way. Finish by applying the self-adhesive pads under each leg. Place the garden on its legs. Tighten all 16 nuts all the way, using medium force in the end. Installing the power adapter. You will need the following parts. Locate the power connection in the top corner on the back of the unit. Attach 2 power cable clamps to the back of the leg closest to the power adapter connection. One at the top and one at the bottom. Then, connect the power adapter to the garden and thread the cable through the 2 cable clamps. Installing the water bath and pairing the water level sensor. Plug in your Click and Grow 25. The lights will turn on. Pull the drawer open and place the bath into the drawer. Do not fill the bath with water just yet. Remove the cardboard tab from inside the bath. This triggers the Bluetooth connectivity for the water level sensor. Locate the control unit for the lights under the top assembly. Hold down the button for 15 seconds until both lights blink once. If successful, the lights will flash twice, indicating low water levels. After a successful pairing, water can be added to the bath. Note the water level guides inside the bath. Final assembly. Fitting the plant trays and side panels. Place 5 plant trays side by side on the edges of the bath. Remove the protective film from the side panels. Slide the side panels into their slots on either side of the bath. Close the drawer. You are now ready to start using the Click and Grow 25. Connecting your garden to the app. Hold your mobile device near the garden with Bluetooth turned on. Open the Click and Grow app, follow the steps in the app and choose your preferred settings. If you have multiple gardens and wish to stack them on top of each other, please refer to the included manual booklet for detailed instructions and safety information. Check out our next video where we show you how to use the Click and Grow 25.